Etiefo, me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Now, from Endra to Ende, Insembi a trendy ewo social media. Now, they are very sensitive issues. Sansem no, when who can, it can degenerate, for a young crop for a canon. Now, as I'm say, we share the security presence ewo the Volta region are very, very high. A lot of people are saying different things. What share they are soldier for, police for, immigration for. I've seen videos on even TV3. Dodona ekrikra etu womuna Volta region. Ubisa military. Oshe Volta regional military security officer. Ubisa no. And now yebisa I think say yebisa no Joy News. Yebisa say dentiana. All of a sudden, a lot of security troops out of Volta region or say anti-terrorism program bia occasionally no na security forces no womo asemo wakan no the RESEC I'm say from RESEC was the regional secretary officer womo na womo the security the regional security officer sorry womo no the security of the region nti asemo no kan and say anti-terrorism but occasionally no ade ayeye nti no normal asemo wakan no one it say MPP MP top MPP MP aye friend Katie Hammond, one of the biggest MPs at the majority side. Ononso video ba abonti a wononso ebeka say security presence no the entire the security for Akko Volta region and say ya ba be new voters register wo share senior Volta region for no any Togo for netia na Togo for no omo be fra Volta region for na womo aye registration no na trese womo ato ama NDC Intiana esa ema wo my example kra say wo kaya sa time at Mills first round olusu ye no second round ye be hia na say Togo for na womo ewo Togo no ya se so mo ebeku Volta region ama womo ato aba ama at Mills ayeden aba be wini Okantansem no a lot of people have bashed him for that matter says ansem a work and say be ehun ehia. Now my personal thoughts on that no I don't know maybe I'll bring it to you later but in somewhat Kosuni and so the security presence in the Volta region and along that stretch no are very high and obviously you see say it is because of the voter registration. The people of Volta region are angry because almost say there police for no area no they are intimidating them sisia no wo pie na wo kɔ ni fuom krana na soja ni gina ho ekretio o se hey wo kwan na trese ensem a ye bisa na ye wasting the time into amonso feel said that be se voter registration na ba so na ya sheda e de soja for aba ho say na ye voter region for no ye man crofo bebre enye den envote. That's what TV3 for Echo interview some people in the Volta region no that's what some of them actually said. Because you see Volta region no if you don't understand how it works ebiana wantiasie. There are some people they live in Volta region, but womudofu efona womudono Togo. You cross the border. Inti ende ye security for ababegu ono they are not being allowed to go to their farms because omwebejina ho ufri ehona wo ba yesu ye Togo ni ye maomba but there are equally some Ghanaians who are also womo bopa Togo ho. Inti evanze Ghana for na womo ewa Ghana omo te Volta region ho womo bopa Togo ho no yemfa ne sesisia na omo wo Togo na registration the are new Ghanaians ewo se womo ba ebe register no ye mo register. Why? Because ye hu ne se womo fi Togo na eba. So a lot of people are speaking said abi this particular thing ya ade bia enye adenti na Volta region hope na wo ye ebi mo ka se no enye Volta region hope na sebe foreigners in quotes free eba we share other regions they also have equally they also have foreigners inti ya den na security presence no won fan call all the other regions ni ehun say yes registration na mo ye no ye pese ye foreigners efrim sebe NDC for stronghold pe na mo kwa akoyesa. So that's what the NDC believes. Inti ama NDC for mpenyufo say John Dramani Mahama any JJ Rawlings or my babontin abekasa. Now, with the JJ Rawlings and someone what they to Jan Bebro later. NDC parliamentary the voter caucus omunia kasa. But in someone Mahaman so or the other to ya through a special aid no any in krata na watrono. I say reports have filtered in of a massive deployment of military and other security personnel in the Volta, Oti, Upper East and Upper West regions. The unexplained security deployments to these border regions have clearly been timed to coincide with the commencement of the voter registration exercise across the country. I say these deployments have begun to create panic and anxiety among residents of the various regions who have been left in no doubt that it has been done as a part of a larger strategy to intimidate them into abstaining from the registration exercise starting next Tuesday. I have sufficient reason to believe that there is merit in the concerns raised by the residents of these regions. This represents another unprecedented low in the shameless abuse of states of power to attack the very citizens whose safety and security the Akufo-Addo government should be protecting. Now, this first part, and someone Mahama trainer ewa. This first part, you can and say, sa strategy a buying ascending security forces across our Volta region, ne Upper East, ne Upper West. No, these places are places bia womoto ema NDC. Na womo wohono. Indigens nankasa eka se dientia aban eyes and say aban pese or intimidate you or more. Womu be suro so womu be ba abonten aba register. Sana womu no they will get fewer registration. Naturally say the other places are MPP for stronghold to say Asante region no hono security forces via any ho. Naturally so womu de womu register nko asemwa eba no asemwa nkrofo e wo ground so eba no. Inti Mahama se wono de wate se omo a womo ete voter region in these places no kasa say no Mahama no we hu say yes eyenekre ebetumi ayenekre say ya sheda niama security forces because aden na mo wo dada ye say ye best start voters register no ansana mo de security call these places na Ghana so bebia untumi ntwem say bebia ni wa enhia security bebia here security. So why is it that only the places that womu susu say NDC for stronghold and amode asoja for our mu create you ako show. And yesterday I was watching TV3. They interviewed the indigenes of Volta region and some of them were pissed. Papa Bimpo did your kind or say Kufuor times and so still Kufuor efis no still womu lusuye enti enye de soldiers no kra be ye womo de omeba abonti abe register papa bia voter register ho ye bisa no na asem wo kan no. Now Mahama to aso no mama wati ase say enkrata Mahama de aba abonti na ewa Mahama to aso no say it is becoming evident by the day that the Akufo-Addo government perceives political power as an end in itself, hence the resort to such crude and high-handed measures to usurp the mandate of the people, to send troops into regions in times of peace for the sole purpose of preventing them from registration amounts to declaring war on them. Any president sanctioning this sort of activity stands in breach of his oath to the people of Ghana, and any president doing this commits a grave sign against the very people he swore to protect. Or say, Adia Akufo-Addo aye say wasene asojafo akọ Volta region no ya akoye say will declare war e wo mo so because ye nim say Volta region baby o there aside everything kind of Volta region is one of the peaceful regions in the country unti say ebia to trust them bia eta ikoso wo ho nti in a time of peace like this na wasanso aseni aposifo bebre ani asojafo ni immigration for a wo mu kreatio e wo Volta region ho a na tre say who declare war on them. Asema Mahama no. Or say, no one would have imagined that a Ghanaian government would be so obsessed with hanging on to power as to subject its own citizens to such mistreatment and execute an ethno-tribal agenda of this magnitude against them. The singling out of the Volta, Oti, and other regions for the kind of attack must be condemned by all, We cannot remain silent while a part of our country is marginalized on account of political calculation. The people of those regions reserve the right to support any political party of their choice and should not be pushed unjustly for doing so. Mr. President, put an immediate end to this needless siege and live up to your oath of office, which binds you to treat all Ghanaians equally and ensure their safety and security. To the men and women of the Ghana Armed Forces who have been deployed for this exercise, remember that your fidelity is to the state of Ghana and not a political party. The people you encounter are the very people under whose authority you wear your respected uniforms. The politicians who send you to intimidate fellow citizens will not be there always, but your commitment to the sanctity of the state of Ghana is eternal. I urge you, therefore, not to become the tool by which the rights of innocent Ghanaians are abused. Bear in mind that there is always a day of accountability, and that any abuse you subject your fellow citizens to will be subject of scrutiny in the near future. It's where a message about them a security for no a soldier for no say wamoko voter region hona momo nko yese wamo bonkrofo, because yesterday the news coming from Joy News will be, I don't know, maybe the person might be lying. They interviewed one person from Volta region and walk say a soldier for no ayo madwen say wamo bebu wamo na wono kra yabono. But senya me din kan we don't have a video of sa branch na no wakasa na say yabono. But wakasa e wo Joy News, it could be say a yentro. Now, inti Mahama can say a soldier for no yesremo politician ne de oba obeko ba wo na wo she uniform no ye nipa citizen nti and a watch sa uniform no, because if civilian ni ho a nanka wo soldier military nanka wo so wo nya da wo ni ho a civilian ni security inti na wo military wo ho no nti yesremo aban ne de wo yese no de mokọ a mamo nkoye mo adwen se mo de tutu asem na ekọ ho asem a Mahama can message awode ema military for nso no no. I say to all Ghanaians, I implore you to take interest in this matter and not sit aloof. The time has come to call out this government that continues to overreach and abuse the mandate you bestowed on them. Do not be lured into a false sense of security in the thinking that this is happening far away from you. I say a government that can put fear in some of its citizens just to rig election is a clear and present danger to all citizens, and it is only a matter of time before the tyranny and oppression reaches your own doorstep. Let us rally to the defense of our brethren in the affected regions and stop this power-drunk government in its tracks before they plunge our beautiful country into irredeemable anarchy. To our compatriots in the Volta, Oti, Upper East, and Upper West regions, do not be crestfallen over these acts of intimidation. Let this motivate you to turn up to register when the exercise begins. That is the only way through which you can retain the power to vote out this government that has put you under siege because of your legitimate political choices. This is a government that through its behavior has proven to be the most undemocratic and oppressive under the Fourth Republic. In the process, they have proven themselves totally undeserving of the mandate of the people. Okay. I'm saying, and you see, as some way, you know why people are bringing out old stuff. The entire Krano, this is a long time planned from the government, and they say a long time ago, I think some months ago, President Akufo-Addo ne wafa se a yefe ne Gabriel Trader akon. What den send me betu just say wo hwe Ghana ha se a baby ankrofo egu pa eye Ketu South, which belongs to the Volta and now is part of the Volta region. Ketu South nkrofo guo. Now wanti ase because Ketu South hono there is no economic activity bia wo ho a ebema sebe nkrofo bebre say Ketu South they are highly populated because social Ghana wo ye highly populated pan e Ketu South into one tia say Ketu South no population no ebe wo soro e wo ho a sebe ase e ho no economic activities bia nche dan do so wo ho inti wakan sa asem no Voltarians bebre ba bontin be di na tem say e den na wo pa tre Ukwa Bantama nso ankrofo bebre wo ho ho de won kan say Bantama omodoso na de ntia na omodoso san aden na Volta region baby wo ho constituency bi wo ho ankrofo doso wo ho that one you have a problem with. Into some people feel say a planner government no another element in the government wo mo ben Akufo-Addo no afa de da say wo mo be ye now we more reduce the numbers. That's what people feel. I am not saying that is indeed the truth. But somewhere that no. The next story, I'll bring you the reaction from JJ Rawlings and so on this particular matter. Montreal Mwadrin, our comment box in for Medase.